Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you make folder on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to make a folder on iPhone, at first just long press on this empty space, and here you can see all the apps are shaking. Just long press on another app and just put it on another app, just like drag it to another app. In the top here you can see social networking, it is automatically named. You can also name the folder if you want. You can also drag this like this. You can also add other apps to this. Here you can see the folder has been made. So guys, that's how you can make folder on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.